This is a chart from my book. I'll try and show a little bit better later. Okay, 1900s, silver was 64 cents an ounce, and so on, and it spiked here and there, but an average was anywhere from 64 to 35 cents, 84 cents, 73 cents, 80 cents, 88.3. Finally, 1961, it finally went to $1. After 1961, it climbed, it dropped, it climbed, it dropped, kind of like what you see today. 1973, a high of $3. 1974, I think this is around when the Hunt brothers were starting to buy silver, but it wasn't until 1979. This is an average. This was they spiked to almost $60, $70 an ounce, I believe, and then back down. So it didn't last more than a year. Then back down, $10, $10. If you look at this, from 1990 to 1999, silver was an average of $5 an ounce. Now, this one is the same. It wasn't until 2006 when it finally hit $10 an ounce. And then, after that, the pattern from this to 2009 was $13 an ounce. It was always jumping back to $13 an ounce. Even, you see, 2009, 2010, which we're in 2010 prices right now. You see where we're at right now? Actually, if you look, July 1945, 1870, it's about the same as it was in 2010. It wasn't until 2011 when it started to go really crazy. 48.50, 44, then it starts to go down again and again. 2012 is still dropping, and then of course we know what it is today. I'm doing this video to show you guys, look at the patterns. This is why I think silver is going to drop. Back in 2007, when the market was good, it was still $13.40. 2009, it was still $13. It wasn't until later months when it finally went up. I would say May of 2009 is when silver started to raise. So 4 years ago, over 4 years ago, silver started to go high. And now silver's starting to drop. We may not see these high prices for a while, because that was people manipulating the market. People were scared. People were afraid the economy was going to crash, so they were investing in lots of silver. And the bubble burst, along with everything else. So you can get information like this online and everything. Just gives you an idea of what silver usually does. Like I said, if you look from 2000 average, it spiked here and there, but on average it was around $5 to $7 an ounce until 2006 when it finally hit $10 an ounce, and then hasn't been up since. 2006, that was 7 years ago. That wasn't that long ago. So who's to say silver ain't going to drop back down? So this is just a chart I'm using to show people that silver is unpredictable. You don't know. Nobody knows what it's going to do. I'd love to still buy it at $5 an ounce, like in 2000, 13 years ago. That would be nice. But just shows, just look at it. 2009, 4 years ago, the beginning of the year, $12.50. There's no reason why silver can't go back down to that. No reason. That's why I tell people hold off on buying and see what happens. Because silver closed low again. It stayed $19 and something all day, all week, and then when Friday came, it closed low again. So it's hard to say what it's doing. So I would just be careful buying silver. Well, thanks for watching. Share, like, comment, and happy investing.